beauties, doesn't it sound wonderful to save $2,000 by buying something? I heard that laser hair removal in salon will cost me $2,400 just for my legs till the knee. Can you imagine? That's why I decided to find other cheaper options. Among 5 different devices, I choose this one. It calls Braun IPL Silk Expert Pro 5 and it costs just $330 on Amazon right now when I'm taping this video. So if it is as good as they write in their advertisement, I will save $2,000 just by using it, even a bit more. So why I choose it? First of all, because it was #1 on Amazon in hair removal devices. And it has really good reviews and 4.5 stars. Second, it cost smaller than $400, but it wasn't still very cheap, so I believe it should work. They also promise in advertisement that it will last for 22 years. Isn't it too long? 22 years? I will be 36 and 22, 58 in that moment. Oh my god. And also it is safely from head to toe if I will need to do it with my lip, but I don't think that I need it, but maybe. Who knows what will happen in these 22 years. And also I can do it underarms, on bikini zone, and of course with my legs. But it doesn't work for everyone. Here you can see the chart where they show what type of skin and which type of hair it will work for. The process to use it is super simple. First of all, shave your legs. They even give you such pretty purple razor for it. Second, you should choose what cup are you going to use. The bigger one for large zones such legs, the smaller one for small like lips, underarms or bikini zone. I'm going to shave my legs, that's why I will use this bigger one. Now plug it on and you're ready to do it. They told you that it is better to use the device in a well-lit room during the day, because in that case your eyes won't be so sensitive to that really big amount of light. For me it's really very bright, so sometimes I use it with my sunglasses, but you don't have to, but you can do it. After that you again have 2 options. You can press the button every time for every piece of skin. It makes 400,000 flashes in a time. Or you just hold the button, then it will do it permanently.
Do you want me to tell you?
Let's see how many times it will take to do it for both my legs. So it has 10 different levels. I am using the medium one, not too hard, but not too light. And to turn it off, just unplug it. When I do it for the first time, I was a bit shocked because it was too simple to be true, but it is so. I decided to make my underarms with professional laser in salon. And I will continue to use this device with my legs. So I will compare the results and share it with you, of course. Braun promises us that in 2 months, if I will use it every week, the job will done. And in the salon I should go once a month, but for half of the year. So in that period I will see the result and we will compare. If you want to know what will happen and what will be better, the salon or the Braun, Continue to watch my videos. Please press like if you like it and subscribe on my channel. See you in next videos. Bye bye.